Hello everybody, welcome to our Exambees Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExam. Embrace the iExambee learning experience with us, and if you're preparing for any competitive examination after your law, then you're at the right place. Do check our online courses available on iExambee's website. You can also activate the demo of all these courses which are helpful in your preparation for competitive examinations like SEBI, RBI, IBPS, SO, IBPS, RRB, etc. In case of any doubts and queries, you can reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamee.com, or you can call us on the number given on the screen 920-552-4028. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamee. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. In this video today, I am going to discuss with you all how you have to study RBI Act 1934. RBI Act is one of the important legislations in banking laws, a very old drafted legislation, but also important as it is the basic for banks. If you are studying these laws, you have to have the analysis and the basic idea of the important provisions involved. This will help you understand how you have to cater that particular act. In this video, we will be covering RBI Act, important sections. As you can see, this list I have provided you over here, starting with the basic objective, which I have not mentioned here, but whenever you study any legislation like this in which the authorities are covered like this, you should always go through the objective of the act, for which that particular act has come into existence, and so on. Section 3, Establishment and Incorporation of Reserve Bank, is dealt with under Section 3. How was the RBI established, how it was incorporated, and also the history of RBI I would suggest has to be studied by you over here. Basic introduction you should have. Then the capital of the bank, a direct question can be asked. Management of the bank, section 7, very important. All the board of directors, their composition, basic management, everything. Composition of the central board, term of office. Then section 9, local boards, their constitution and functions. ये procedural and composition related questions हम expect कर सकते हैं. Then coming to the basic functions of the bank, business which the bank may transact, business which the bank may not transact. Obligations of the bank to transact government business, section 20. Bank to have the right to transact government business in India. Right to issue bank notes. Denomination of notes, 24. Basic function is relating to issue of notes, denomination, and how it is a right of the bank to issue the notes that you have to discuss. You have to be very clear with. Legal tender character of notes. This is also one of the important concepts from this act, section 26. Obligations of government and the bank in respect of rupee coin. जहाँ पे भी आपको नोट्स या कॉइन से रिलेटेड पावर्स डिफाइन किए हुए मिले, उन सारे प्रोविजंस को आपने इम्पोर्टेंट मानना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट इज वन ऑफ द चीफ फंक्शन ऑफ द बैंक. Then coming to the transactions in foreign exchange, section 40 also is definitely a provision which is important. Now chapter 3A and chapter 3F, which have been added by way of amendment to the act. This is an old act of 1934. At that time we did not have these amended provisions, but now it has to be discussed. Collection and furnishing of credit information, covered under chapter 3A, deals with meaning, collection and procedure of furnishing this information. Chapter 3F, monetary policy, dealing with inflation target, constitution of the monetary policy committee. Now what is the composition of monetary policy committee, what are the functions, what is inflation target, ये basic आपको पता होना चाहिए. क्रेडिट इन्फॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड भी मीनिंग क्या है, उसका प्रोसीजर क्या है, हाउ द एप्लीकेशन कैन बी मेड एंड सो ऑन. So this is how these kind of legislations you can target on the important provisions and cover your syllabus like this from competitive exam point of view. For more such kind of videos, stay tuned with us. I will be dealing with more such kind of videos in which I will provide you how to study that particular subject and cater it in the proper way with list of important sections. इस वीडियो के साथ मैंने आपके लिए एक डॉक्यूमेंट भी अटैच किया हुआ है जो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. It is giving you a section summary of all the important sections of RBI Act. Please download that PDF and check it out. The summary of all the important sections have been provided to you in the document. Thank you everybody. Have a good day.